The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video for the Samsung Galaxy A02s for Metro Bytes and Mobile. So the Galaxy A02s is not available at Metro, so if you guys are looking to get a decent Samsung budget smartphone, the Galaxy A02s can be on the check out here, so it's available now. So quick price on the A02s is 5,000 or better. 6.5 inch HD plus Infinity display and octa-core processor. Before we talk about other A02s is $159.99, but if you guys switch to Metro, y'all gotta see this one for free. So not a bad deal there for a free phone. So let's go ahead and set up the phone here. So this is kind of the phone here. Y'all have a teardrop match with some camera there. Power and RAM keys that's how the phone there. So yeah, RAM keys, power button right there. And then on the back of the Galaxy A02s is your triple camera system along with the camera flash. It does look like the Galaxy S20 camera setup there. You have a Samsung logo on the back, and it looks like it has like a pattern in the back of it. I don't know if it's textured or if it's like a soft back to it or not. But you do have a cool little design on the back of the phone now. So pretty cool there. So you see how. So pretty cool there. And then on the right side of the phone is your micro SD card and some cuts out right here on the top left. So yeah. Let's turn to the top of that and take this one to the top. You want to say more stretches of microphone. Over to the bottom of your phone. The headphone jack, which is very nice to have. Microphone, Type-C charging port, and speaker on the bottom of the A02s. So it says here the A02s offers awesome 450s and Samsung commercial portable package. That means you get a long-lasting battery, a slick end-to-end display, a standard multi-lens camera, insurance, and external storage, all at an affordable price. So you're gonna get a 5,000 mAh battery along with fast charging, so that's pretty good. 6.5 inch HD plus Infinity display, so that's a something to display. So you might actually get way better light from this phone here because it has an HD display. Plus a 5,000 mAh battery, but camera system has straight cameras in the back and one camera in the front. Of course, 32 GB of storage, expanded optical charging, multi-layer micro SD. Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 octa-core processor, which is the biggest con about this one in my personal opinion. The processor is old as shit. It's like what's it, 2021? About what? It's 5 years old now, so this processor is old as shit. So I don't know why Samsung decided to put a Snapdragon 450 in there. And if you guys really want to know, the Snapdragon 450 processor is in the LG style too. So that's how far we're going back here in terms of processors. So this processor is old as fuck. And like I said, y'all also get the Galaxy A02s for free when you guys switch to Metro or add so that's pretty cool there. Not bad for a free phone, but the processor is a big con in my personal opinion. So y'all guys have a quad camera system for coming in the back, including the front facing camera, 32 GB of storage, and expandable up to 5 charging watts of micro SD. Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 octa-core processor, 6.5 inch HD plus Infinity display, and 5,000 mAh battery with fast charge. Power that lasts and lasts. Outfitted with a 5,000 mAh battery, the Galaxy A02s gives you enough power to make it through your day, plus fast charging for a quick pick me up whenever you need it. That's good storage that fits your life. Galaxy A02s makes number one what you hold into more of what you love. It's better in HD. Enjoy a bright and bold viewing experience on a crisp and powerful 6.5-inch HD plus Infinity display. So the display it will look decent, guys. I mean, this is a budget phone, so you did get what you pay for here. So the display will look decent, so it's better than nothing. Splash was found at pretty decent. This is a budget phone, so just keep that in mind. So you get 30 gigabytes of internal storage, about 19 gigabytes available to the user, 6.5-inch HD plus Infinity display, quad camera system. You have a 13 megapixel wide angle 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel macro lens in the rear, and a 5 megapixel wide angle front facing camera lens in the front. So that's pretty cool. 512 gigabytes of micro SD expansion. So take advantage of that mobile hotspot for the Apple Talk Time, Android 10 with MIUI 2.0. Qualcomm shot more 450 octa-core processor with 1.8 GHz. So it's basically the same processor as it is in the LG Standard 2. So that's an old processor. I don't know why. Samsung put a something for 50 and then they could at least put they could at least put a 600 in there, at least a 600, not fucking 400 processors. Oh shit, dude. That's like the biggest thing about the phone. Is the processor. It's old as fuck, and yeah, it's old. I think you get 2 gigabytes of RAM in this phone as well, 2 gigabytes of RAM as well, so that's a con too. But this one is a budget phone, guys, so it's not bad for a free phone, but $160, I mean, come on, man, like, put in a better processor, at least put 3 gigabytes of RAM in here at least, like, come on, it's not that hard. So the Galaxy A02s weighs 6.77 ounces. There's your internet compatibility there. There are some accessories for the Galaxy A02. That's if you guys want to go to you guys want to get accessories for the Galaxy A02s, go to Amazon and type in Samsung Galaxy A02s on Amazon to get your accessories there, and y'all will get more accessories and they'll be a bit cheaper than what you guys see here. So there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A02s. Is now mentioned by T-Mobile. It's available now for $159.99 for retail price, or free if you guys switch to Metro or add a line to your existing Metro plan. So that's pretty cool. So not bad for a free phone, guys. It's an excellent phone. Function here are decent, guys. This is a budget phone, so they keep it in mind. The big cons, in my opinion, are the processor. It's a 5-year-old processor in this phone, which is ridiculous. The RAM is a 2 gigabytes of RAM, which is ridiculous as well. So I don't know why Samsung decided to put 2 gigabytes of RAM in here, and I don't know why Samsung decided to put a 5-year-old processor in this phone. So basically, if you guys want to compare the two, if you guys want to compare phones between, if you guys want to compare phones, guys, this has the same processor as the LG Standard 2 from 2016, guys. Basically, it's old as shit. And I don't know why Samsung put a 5-year-old processor in the phone, but they did, so it is what it is, but it's still bullshit, so. Yeah, guys, so there you guys have it, guys, the A02s. Now available at Metro by T-Mobile, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it really helps me out a lot, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.